Hey crew, today's video will be a s'mores poke cake. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have marshmallows, super moist triple chocolate fudge cake, graham crackers, and Hershey Hot Fudge. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our s'mores poke cake. Alright crew, so we're about to jump into our s'mores poke cake. And y'all can just follow the directions on the box. And that's all I'm gonna do. So let's mix the cake up. We're gonna go in with 3 eggs. 1 1/4 cup of water. A 1/2 cup of oil. Now I'm gonna give our cake a mix. Okay, so we have our pan here, and we're simply gonna spray it with some Baker's Joy. Now we're gonna add our cake batter to our pan. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center come out clean. Alright crew, so our cake is out of the oven. I'm gonna let it completely cool off, then we'll move on to the next step. But before the next step, I'm gonna give y'all this famous close-up. Alright crew, so our cake has completely cooled off. So we're gonna poke some holes in our cake.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man.
So we got our holes poked in our cake. Then we're gonna go in with some Hershey Hot Fudge.
I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
Next, we're gonna top it with some marshmallows.
What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me. But baby, it's you.
I'm gonna put this in the oven under the broiler at 500 degrees to brown the top. Alright, so we got our marshmallows brown. We're gonna go in with some graham crackers.
Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day.
Okay, crew, so our s'mores poke cake is ready. And I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up. Let's get it.
If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face.
Alright, crew, so I'm done with our s'mores poke cake. Give y'all a close-up. And you can see all the chocolate through there. And this is just the cake. I'm about to take y'all over to that plate. Oh yeah. It don't get no better than that. Our s'mores poke cake. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so Queen is right here. She's going to give it a taste and give her honest opinion what she think about the s'mores poke cake. Go ahead, love.
Ooh.
Say that again. Oh. You speechless?
That's good. And it's not like super sweet. It's just good. I can't explain it. Y'all just try that. It's good. Look, try it. So I'm gonna tell y'all, it's good. This cake ain't gonna last long in this house. What's today, Sunday?
Yes.
Them kids gonna tear that up by Wednesday.
You want to try it, baby boy? You know you want to. I ain't gonna put you on camera. Come
Taste
on.
a few. If not two.
Whatever you gonna say it loud, but they can hear you.
It's good.
Huh?
Really good.
It's really good. You can't even talk.
It tastes like a s'more.
Alright, thank y'all for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.